Good morning, my dear students. I am back again with another video. This video will talk about our next poem, The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost, and this poem has a universal approach. This poem not only talks about the decisions, or they are not only related to students or children in school, but each and every individual who ever stood on a path to decide or to take a choice between different options uh, is directly or indirectly related with this poem. So let us start with the reading of this poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could. The first four lines talks about the author standing at a point where he sees two roads which are diverging. Yellow wood here means a forest. Wood means a forest, and yellow color refers to the autumn season, the season when leaves dried up or leaves dry up or they become yellow in color. So this is a point when there is autumn season. The poet feels sorry that he could not travel both because he can only choose one of them. And once he chooses his path, there may be chances of returning back and then taking the other path, but there are very less chances to it. And therefore he apologizes that he is sorry that he cannot or he could not travel both the paths. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. The traveler has no knowledge about these paths. He looks at both the paths to whatever end he can watch with his natural human eyes. Just by the only thing he can do is look, because once he starts to walk, he will have to walk only on one path. So, standing at this point, he's looking at both the roads and trying to assess which path he should take. To where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far for that the passing there. To where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other as just as fair. So he took the path and he found it. Both the paths are quite same, and he's trying to decide which has the better claim, means which path would be more profitable to him. So he thinks that one of the road is grassy. Grassy means no one had walked on that path. So he wanted to take that path. And the other road was also quite the same. We humans have this tendency to walk or take decisions that already people have taken. We try to buy a house where already some people are living. We try to visit a place where already tourists are visiting. We take very less decisions to a new place because we are afraid of it. We are scared of a new place. We do not want to explore in our life. We do not want to take any chance in our life. Therefore, most of the times we take the same decisions that have already been taken. We just follow. We just follow the path of the other people. We listen to other people, but we do not listen to ourselves. हम अपनी अंदर की आवाज़ को नहीं सुनते. हम वो डिसीजन नहीं लेते जो किसी और ने कभी ना लिया हो. हम उन रास्तों पर नहीं चलते जो कभी और ना चला हो. तो यहाँ पे पोएट का कहना यही है कि इनमें से एक पाथ ऐसा है जिसमें लगता है कि पहले कभी और कोई नहीं गया, हालांकि दूसरा पाथ भी क्वाइट सिमिलर. and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The poet admits that once he takes one path, it is not necessary that he will get the chance to come back and take the other path. He knows that one way leads to the another. उसे पता है कि एक रास्ता चुनने के बाद मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा कि मैं वापस आऊँगा और फिर दूसरा पाथ चूज़ करूँगा. उसे पता है कि एक रास्ता एक डिसीजन लेने के बाद आपको नेक्स्ट डिसीजन लेना होता है. It is not a human game that when you get busted you will come back and start from level 1. This is not a game, this is life. And in life, one decision will decide the other decision. One path will take you to the another path. I shall be telling this with a shy, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So in the last stanza, the poet says, at least I will be able to explore something new. I will not take the path that already people have taken. I will not explore something that already people are aware about. I will try to find a new path and try to discover new possibilities in life, new opportunities in life. I will not follow what other people follow. So here we are seeing that the poet is putting a path in front of us, right? He also says that he should not regret for not taking a decision. He has to decide and take a decision. Most of us relate this poem with the decisions in our life. Next year you will be in class 10 and then there will be a question in front of you whether you should go for science or commerce or arts. And then you will try to put different logic to it, different rational logic to it, what you should decide. Your parents might say to go for some, suppose commerce, you want to take science, your teacher is suggesting on your based on your marks to take arts. So you are offered with so many choices, and there it is where you have to decide what you want to decide for yourself. So do not take a path, or maybe you do not want, you are not interested in studies, you are interested in sports or singing or dance or something, so you have a completely different direction. The poet is trying to say to you to try something that is not explored, to discover new things in life, to take chances and listen to your mind, to listen to your heart, to listen to your soul, what your insight is telling to you to do. So we must all take paths that our inside wants us to take, because we won't get another life. We won't get, so we should take our decisions wisely also. It does not mean that you end up taking wrong decisions and then ending up to a disaster. But wrong decisions will only come when you will decide. So based on proper logic, understanding, suggestions of the elders, you must take a wise decision for you, yourself, your family, and for others. Thank you and have a nice day.